if you're here for, that's right, a second September Stitch Fix. Listen, they just had a really fast turnaround. I have Style Pass, so I only pay $50 for a whole year for my styling fee, and then I just, pay for what I need. So, you know what? Why not? I'm not really looking for anything at the moment, but it's hard to say no to Stitch Fix when I've clearly had so much success. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what is in store. Now, if you're not aware what Stitch Fix is, it is a prepaid clothing styling service where you get set up with an algorithm and a stylist, and in turn, they pick out products or clothing items for you to try on, and you only pay for what you keep. Now, if you're on the normal Stitch Fix plan, there is a $20 styling fee with each box, but if you keep anything, that does get reimbursed, and whatever you don't like, they send you a prepaid mailer to send anything back in. So let's go ahead and see the note from our stylist, and there is also an invoice in here, but we don't look at that yet. We look at that at the end. So let's go ahead and see what my stylist said, and I think I only picked out one item. So let's see. Hello there, Amanda. Happy Fix Day. It was so fun to style you again. I love the boots you picked from your Fix preview. Way to spoil it, Alicia. There will be boots in this box. I used them as inspiration and picked some pieces that will be fun to pair with them. Also, apologies, Roxy thinks it's Bark Box Day. It is not Bark Box Day, but if you hear her whining, I'm so sorry. Anyways, I hope you're having a fantastic week. I can't wait for you to see what I have in store for you today. The Madeline Roll Tab Knit Top by Pink Clover is a great top to transition it the fall season. There's a grammatical error. It's fine. Pair this with the Frankie Mid-Rise Cropped Girlfriend Jean by Studio Blue and the Tracy Booty by MIA. Another fun boot outfit would be the Alicia Back Detail Knit Top by Z Supply with a pair of dark jeans. Finish it off with the boots. Enjoy trying on your new pieces, Amanda. I can't wait to hear your thoughts and feedbacks. Feedback. That was me. That wasn't her. Do you have any requests for your next fix? Have a great day. Peace and love, Alicia. Okay. Well, let's see what goes on, or what goes on. Listen, it's been a rough week. Just be patient with me, okay? I might say some weird things. I've already said some weird things, so there's probably gonna be some more weird things. Let's look at this bundle. This is what the bundle looks like, and yes, there is only one bundle. Let's go ahead and rip this open. And then this is the first top, which it's very light, it's very cottony. This would be great for summer. And then, sorry, there's a strappy detail, but I think that is a back strappy detail. Yes, that is a back strappy detail. The tags are just making it hard to show you the back strappy detail. You'll see it better when I try it on. How about that? It does look like it is full length, maybe even a little long, and there might be something going on. It is high slits on the side. Anyways, it'll be flowy. We'll see whether or not it'll be flattering or not. I think it's gonna be flattering. I think I'm gonna really like it, which could be problematic, but that's a future me problem. Moving on, we have what looks like a striped, kind of loose t-shirt type of deal. It's showing up a little bit more mauve-y in person, and it does look like it has a pseudo tie front. It's kind of basic, not gonna lie, but it looks comfy, so we'll give it a chance. I just got ABBA stuck in my head. We change your mind, understand line. Anyways, moving on. Next, we have a 3/4 kind of Henley striped kind of deal going on. The sleeves do have this kind of pseudo felty tab going on with a mother of pearl type of button to secure them, which okay, so you do have the ability to unroll this if this is not your jam. And then this looks like it is the same type of detail on the pocket on the front. And again, it is full length and maybe some mild high slits on the side. I'll have to see what that looks like trying on. Sorry, my nose has been so itchy today and I cannot figure out why. I'm gonna blame fall allergies. Anyways, here are some pants. They look very similar to some other pants I got from them that I've been wearing the ever living heck out of. But we'll try them on. I'm probably not gonna hate them, like, let's be honest. I've been wearing the heck out of the other ones I got. But yeah, they're distressed. They're, I believe, high-waisted. We'll see. And then lastly, let's take a look at these booties. Booty, 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 rocking everywhere. Booty, 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 rocking everywhere. Rocking everywhere. Rocking everywhere. Okay. So back, oh gosh, a while ago when I was needing tan booties for one of the weddings I'm in this year, this came up as one of the suggestions that the algorithm put forward, and I was like, these aren't tan booties. They came up again in my fix preview, and I was like, okay, let's give them a try. I'm intrigued. Don't get me wrong. They look like a nice booty. They're fun. They're like pseudo animal print. Like there's not an actual animal who has a print like this, but they're fun, right? Anyways, we'll try all this stuff on. I'll be back. Also, there might be a bonus outfit in here because I got the thing I sent back last box in a larger size. So we'll see if that looks better in a larger size. And if you know, you know, watch the last video, fools. Okay. So I paired this top with the jeans and the booties, and I'll have to break them down apart bit by bit. So anyways, here is the first top they sent me. That is the back detail. Yes, the tags are tied up in it. It's a cute top. I like how this high-waisted makes it a little bit more flowy. It's fun. I'm still working on getting the right undergarments that would work well with this type of top. Listen guys, I'm a mess. I cannot find a strapless bra to save my life that is 100% perfect, but I am sure as all heck get out, gosh darn trying. So my big beef with this top, it's a little too thin and sheer, even though I love how thin and sheer it is on the other hand, because this would be a perfect summer top. However, I cannot find undergarments that would work with this top to save my life yet. So this might end up going back just for that reason. And again, I did pair this with the jeans, so we can go ahead and take a look at how they fit. So they are stretchy. They're not as high-waisted as some of my pants. I do like the wash and the fit on them. These are different from the other ones that they sent a couple, oh gosh, who knows how many fixes ago they sent the other ones that are very similar to this. They're tighter. They're more of a slim look versus those other ones are very relaxed all the way down the leg. And then I'll pan down here in a minute to show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so here are the jeans that we just got done talking about the top. Here's how they fit in the rest of the leg. Mike thinks they're not flattering in the knee or something. I don't know. I'm not in love with them, I'm gonna be honest. I already have a pair of jeans like this, like we've already mentioned. They're not, you know, something I feel like I absolutely need to keep. And then we'll also go ahead and talk about the booties because I don't remember how she said to like style the booties, so maybe I'll just wear them with every single outfit I try on. But I do like them. I don't love them. They're pretty comfy, honestly. The only concern I really have about them is they don't fit super well around where this part meets the skin, and I'm worried I'm going to get a callus or it's going to chafe or some sort of issue. So the booties are probably also going back, but I'll go ahead and do a close-up of the booties here in a minute. So close-up of the booties. They're very cute. But I really don't need them. I already have so many booties like them, but I like them. We'll see. Okay, so here is the second top. I like it. I'm not in love with it. It's okay. It's a basic top. I feel like for what it is though, it's going to be way too much money. I will say it is pretty, like, it's fitted up here and I like it because I feel like it flatters better when it's more fitted up here. Maybe that's just a me thing. I don't know. Again, I'm just kind of like about it. And again, like I'm still having bra issues. Just listen, I'm a mess. I don't know why y'all watch this. Anyways, we'll go try on the last top. Okay, so here is the last top, which honestly, I did not think I would like it this much. I'm not gonna lie. So I like how it's loose around the midsection, but that this kind of pseudo faux tie situation down here kind of tightens it up around the hips / booty. It's definitely flattering, and I'm aware this is like a basic top. I'm aware it's gonna be overpriced, but I really like it. I'm not gonna lie. She cute. She very cute. Yeah, we'll just have to see what the price point is as to whether or not to keep this top. Okay, so this is kind of a bonus. So if you watched my last unboxing video, I did try on this dress, but I tried it in a size medium and I decided I really liked it. But one of the issues I have is that my curves, especially my booty, often unintendedly makes dresses a lot shorter than they're supposed to be. So, and I was also worried about this dress shrinking in the wash because it fit, but it was a little tight and it was a little too short with my booty. So I decided, let's try to size up to a large, and this is the large. So I'm also a little like, I thought the last one I tried on was red, and this, if you look closely, is more maroon, and I'm not mad about it, but I don't know, maybe I'll just have to watch the last Stitch Fix unboxing video to compare. Maybe it's always been kind of this darker reddish, maroonish color. Maybe they did send it to me in a different color. It's hard for me to tell. However, this did achieve the objective. This is longer. It is not as obscene. I am wearing it again with the same thigh-high boots that they sent to me, at some point within the last couple of years that I couldn't say no to because they're thigh highs. Like, I feel like they're flattering on everyone. Like, who doesn't love a good thigh high? So, yeah, the verdict is in. If I keep anything, granted it's not really with this box, it'll probably be this, but let's go ahead and look at the invoice. Okay, let's go ahead and look at this invoice. So the booties were $74, and with that, at that price point, they're going back. I'm sorry, like, I just don't need a pair of booties. I already have a pair of fake animal print booties. Like, it just makes sense. But they were cute. I'll give them that. They're calling the color cognac. I cannot say that word for the life of me. The orangish brownish tank top, that is $28. The pink striped top was $34. The green sleeved black and white striped top was $44. And then the jeans were $64. So the subtotal is $244. However, if you keep all 5 items, there is a 25% discount. So then the new subtotal would be $183. For some reason, I had a $20 credit. It wasn't, you get 25 if you use my referral code, which I will leave in the description box down below. I don't really know why I had a $20 credit. My guess, had something to do with maybe one of the returns from one of the things I got recently. I don't know. Anyways, they're saying if I kept all 5 items in this box, it'd be $163. Unfortunately, I don't think I loved anything enough to keep anything. I think we're returning all 5 items in this box, but I will keep the dress from last box. Anyways, this is the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, thank you guys so much. Please consider doing all the things that make the YouTube algorithm more likely to suggest my video to other people, such as liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting, and turning on that notification bell. Stay safe, stay cool. Happy fall, y'all.